do? What do you want me to do, Daddy?
Can you pick up the trash from
What's that?
right there on the floor?
Why do I got to pick it up?
You got gloves on.
It's your job. Cause I'm going to Miss Jones, and if Miss Jones is here, that time I'm not free to
Okay.
you have to do that.
Alright.
It's your responsibility.
You just sign this. Yeah, come right here. Gotta have witness.
Have what?
Witnesses.
See,
No
Daddy,
witnesses,
it's all this
then
stuff. All you gotta do is that.
you can fight it.
What the hell is that?
That's my witness.
No, I'm talking about that.
Nah,
That definitely ain't no witness.
no. That right there is a jailhouse delicacy. Alright. Name. Don't worry.
What?
It looks like it's a little bit worse.
Oh, no.
Let's see. I don't know.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
They
that's water.
gonna spotlight and everything.
Yeah, man, I gotta make sure that
Sign it twice.
yeah. And YouTube is the witness. Okay. Now since we got that done,
Yeah,
yeah. So I always have the legal document.